Matilda Frida Maful, and I'm one of the facilitators for the International Quality Management Training for entrepreneurs, engineers, and the relevant personnel, especially in leading. This training is meant to enlighten managers, those who work in different institutions and organizations, entrepreneurs, to know how to systematically instill policies, processes, procedures, workflows, documentation to enable them or ease their day-to-day work. And so the quality management system is a little bit different from quality assurance. Whereas quality assurance deals with one unit, quality management systems deals with the entire organization, supporting it to instill systems in place that will enable or support the work to become easier. For all institutions, it is important that you know your in and out. Knowing where do I start in my value systems, knowing who is most important in my job, especially having customer focus is one of our private areas. Knowing how do I start my request from the customer, how do I end and deliver the value to my customer is extremely important, and that's what QMS does. It supports you, support your customer, get his product faster, better, and continuously improve on that what you do from a daily basis, annual and strategic basis.
Talk a bit about my expectations coming in here. I was expecting to be able to handle problems in my company in a bit more of a structured manner, and then also be able to fix certain procedural issues that were happening in my company in standards that were a bit more aligned with what other established companies were doing. During the process of this training seminar, I've come to understand that is a lot less about what I have to do and what I have to get everyone in the company to do, what I have to make standard practice, and some of the things that were missing are something that I don't have to put on my shoulders, I have to extend them throughout. I've also learned that sometimes it's best to learn with other people, because during the course of discourse, you start to get the answers to certain things too as well. My takeaways are primarily to do with, again, quality management systems, primarily value systems, process. Will I recommend this to other institutions? Absolutely. I think it's extremely invaluable, not just in the fact that it's not bringing you direct money, but it's bringing you the processes that will help you make that profit too as well. So I definitely will recommend it.
So my name is Nana Oyewudes, the Deputy Head for KNUST Basic School. Coming in for this 3 days quality management workshop, I have learned a lot. When I was coming, I was like, okay, I'm coming into a system where I really didn't know what they were going to give to me. And then how am I going to put this into what I do as an educationist? But actually, when I came, I have learned a lot. From the first day, I got to know that even in education, I give services and I have clients, and the clients are looking for the best out of us. And so I have learned that apart from giving them the quality that they are expecting, I must also look at my staff and everybody, so that I pull all of them together to make sure that we are giving our clients, who are the students and their parents, the best of education. One thing I admire and I have gotten here is that we talked about documentation, that I must make sure that my policies and where I am going, I give it to the clients so that they know that this is what we do. And not only the clients, but the teachers, because our core mandate is to teach. And so the teachers, the supporting staff and everybody should be pulled along so that we all make sure that we are giving our client the best of quality education. And one thing also I want to say is that apart from just giving them the quality education, we must also know that they are clients, and so how we handle them when they come in, our communication and everything must be of a quality, international standard, so that as KNUST stands for, we stand for the best and excellence, and so that the business school can also give our best to our client. And so I want to thank the organizers of this program for the best that I have learned today. I'm sure I'm going to go and give it out there, the world outside there. Thank you.